Welcome to Kumrat Valley, one of Pakistan's most breathtaking natural wonders. Hidden among the towering mountains of Upper Dur KPK, Pakistan, this spectacular valley feels like a world untouched by time. Vast pine forests stretch across the landscape, while crystal-clear rivers carve their way through the heart of the valley. From above, Kumrat reveals a stunning panorama of lush green meadows, winding waterways, and majestic peaks that seem to touch the sky. Every turn offers a view more beautiful than the last. Known as one of Pakistan's hidden gems, Kumrat attracts travelers seeking peace, adventure, and unforgettable scenery. Whether you're dreaming of your next destination or simply enjoying nature's beauty, Kumrat Valley is a place that truly deserves to be seen from above. This is Kumrat Valley, Pakistan.